Welcome back, everyone. It's Fat Tuesday. Me, me again, Sherlock. Sherlock Washington. Now this is an Olympus VN-541PC. This is a screen. This is an index. Repeat. One repeat again. Turn it off. Power on/off. Folder and noise cancel. Record button. You can touch it. Rewind. Fast forward button. Up and down button. Volume up and volume down button. Play/pause button. Erase button. They got 4 gigabytes, 1,570 hours recording. Recording timer. Recording sense. This is built the speaker. Okay, this is built the speaker, built the microphone, headphones jack, and the microphone input jack. This let's see what they go with the AAA batteries. This is 86 hours of a battery's life.
News from my doctor.
That was season. Let's turn it on.
Did I mention that it's your fault? I'm sorry, I don't follow.
This is a memo. This is a talk. This is a music, and this is LP. Let's go with the. I'm gonna go with the LP. Let's see if it works for the long record. Horrible sound. Sherlock. My phone number is 1888.
You put a fictional person above everything else, and now because of
let's see what works. My name is Sherlock Washington. I'm a worker job. I'm an opportunity job. Worker. Please give me a brief message. See you guys later. Let's see edit number. Edit the track it to the number 2. 1, 2, 3. Section 1. Section 2. 38. Section room 238. Alright, my phone. Finally, my phone number. Sherlock. My phone number is 1888-777-7975. Good luck and be safe with good job. Just call me back. You got my new number. Oh, thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you see you guys. Yes. Thank you for recording, and I was so appreciated. Thank you so much. I'm Sherlock. Thank you. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.